Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you watch my videos for the first time, do hit the subscribe button, that red color button which is subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's get started with today's video now. So today we're gonna talk about the June Euphorbia box. Yes, we have the June Euphorbia box in the hands. So let's just quickly unbox this one. So firstly, it comes in this kind of cardboard packaging where it says euphorbiabox.com, their website. So once we open this one, they always send us this reusable poly bag, a kind of a jute bag. Yes, so we have the June Euphorbia bag. Yes, this time it says selfie queen with the crown. Really cute, and the quality of the bag is like big thumbs up. It's really stiff and it's not flimsy at all. It's a really good bag. Yes, this is what I can say, and I'm really happy with the code. It says selfie queen with the crown, and I really like this bag. So let's just quickly unzip this one. So once we unzip this, so I can see these cute earrings. Firstly, it says get in shine on from Euphorbia box, and the price of these earrings is ₹150 as it says. So let's just quickly have a look on the earrings. So these are the earrings. As you can see, this is kind of oxidized jewelry and it's really good, man. Yes, the quality of these earrings is like so good. Like as always, they send us like a really good quality jewelries. Yes, let me just go ahead and wear these because I don't have earrings on. So let's just quickly wear these and let's see how these looks like. Beautiful, and it's so lightweighted. You can wear it like for like 10 to 12 hours so easily if you want to. It's so lightweighted and it's a really good quality. Yes, let me just wear the other one. Oh wow, earrings makes a huge difference in your looks. Yeah, this is the first thing that we receive in the bag. So next we have this from Aaranyam. Yes, and this is the Saffron day cream. It's a detaining cream, and this is a 50 gram of the product. And yeah, let me just show it to you. Yeah, so this is the day cream we receive, and let me just go ahead and open it. It's totally like it's packed properly. Let me just have a look on this. Okay, so let me just see the it's not sticky. That's really good. So yeah, this is the Saffron day cream. Saffron is like really expensive thing, and we have the Saffron day cream. It's really good for acne prone skin that I have, and it's really good for like every skin type. So yes, you can use it. So this is the Aaranyam Saffron day cream, and the quantity is like 50 gram. Yes. Yeah, so this is the second product that we receive in the bag. And the next thing we have is this from Magic Dust. This is a fresh natural broad spectrum sunscreen lotion, and this is SPF 50 and it's 60 ml of the quantity, and the price of this is $9.59. Really? So this is how it looks like. This is the product that we receive, and quite expensive. Okay, and yes, this is from Magic Dust. Like I always receive one product from Magic Dust in Euphorbia box, and I always use it, and they are really good quality products. Yes, wow, it smells so good, really good. So yeah, this is the third product that we received. This is a sunscreen lotion, and the good part is it has SPF 50. Yeah, thumbs up. So yeah, and the next product that we receive is this what is this? It's totally packed in a bubble wrap. I think it's a blusher. I think so. Let's see. It's a blusher. It's from Beufly Paris. It's a blusher, and this is in the shade pink, and this is a 4 gram of the product. And let me just show it to you first. I don't know why it's packed like this. Let me just open it from where it's gonna open. Okay, see, we have a cotton on the top of this blusher. I don't know what's the reason behind this. And we have this plastic sheet as well on this. Okay, it's a shimmery one. It has some shimmer particles as well. Paste this somewhere in my room because it's really cute. I'm gonna hide this Euphorbia box with some sticker. And the back of this, it says all the things that we receive. It's one more card in this. Is the discount code from Aaranyam, and we have, and this is the discount code that is valid till August 2018. So the discount code is special 20. So this is a discount code, is special 20. If you want to order something from Aaranyam, you can use this code. I'm gonna leave it in the description box as well. So this is the discount code from Aaranyam. I'm gonna leave the website and all the details, whatever it has, in the description box. Make sure you check that on. Yes, we have these all products in the in this month Euphorbia box. Yeah, let me tell you one thing, guys, that Euphorbia box is a monthly beauty subscription that you can subscribe for like 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. It all depends upon you. It all depends upon your pocket. Whatever your pockets allow, you can subscribe for that month. And Euphorbia box is the most affordable subscription boxes that I ever had, and the cost of 1 month subscription is just rupees 248 plus shipping charges. I think I'm gonna leave all the details about the box, and if you want to subscribe it for, I'm gonna leave the links and the details in the bottom bar, like in the description box. Make sure you check that on. So do check the description box out. And yes, we are done for today, and I love the earrings. It's like so weighted. I cannot feel the weight on my ears like I am wearing this one, but it looks so good, and it really makes a difference in the looks. Like earrings always make a difference in your look. So this is it for today, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.